Hi everyone, I'm George and I'm on the way to Barry's house. Barry is a client and I'm going to set up an Aquascaper 900 Aquascape. I'm very excited. I hope you are too. I'm at Barry's house right now, so this is his beautiful Aquascaper 900. I was going to say 600 then, not an idiot. With the Twinstar 900E, and I think, is this the Royal Oak cabinet?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
We're going to scape it today, so I'm really excited. We've got some cool rocks, we've got some cool wood, loads of cool plants. We'll do like a classic nature aquarium style, I'm going to say, but maybe with a little bit of a twist. Let's go. You might guess kind of where I'm going with the Aquascape. I'm gonna do an open kind of foreground here, but maybe some carpeting plants kind of starting around here for the right hand third. Soil in the back, and then we've got some wood to go in, and then obviously loads of plants. So let's go. Rocks in, soil behind the rocks, cosmetic sand in front of the rocks, and then we've got some detail work with Denelay, Planter Hunter, Rio Zingu, and then we've got 3 pieces of river wood, all attached to each other with cable ties. We haven't pre-soaked it, so there's a potential for them to float. So I've cable tied them all together, kind of buried it in the soil, and I've also put a stone on the right hand side, and hopefully that's going to prevent the wood from floating after we've filled it up.